Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log into your Cash App. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is simply access your Cash App app on your mobile phone, and upon doing that you will be able to access this kind of interface right away. So all you have to do is simply choose whether you would like to sign up with your email, right? Simply go ahead and enter the particular email of yours as it has asked over there if you have, and then simply tap on this next option given in the bottom. Once you have done so, it will simply send you the particular code on your email. All you have to do is simply open your email, and here in the inbox section you can see you will be able to get the particular code sent by your app. All you have to do is simply copy that particular code, come over here, simply enter the code, and you will be able to tap on this next, and now you will simply be able to log in right there on your app just likewise. So this is a simple process for you. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.